Kum ka kaipot ka sorkar jala na ka State Disaster Management Authority kidan shispa khanai pukhandai Tylli ki Shnong ba Ktah khatlai hajar tam ki brio ba Ktah bat Ngut ki bedangja bat Ngut ba mensaw bat phohnyo Tylli ki marat bayap nadu ka shitarik jeliau haduk kalai phau tarik jeliau arja pholai manta ka sngi ka tanat disaster kala penlong ya ka jing bishar banya ya ka jinglong jingman jong ka jingsha salat ha ka bor jong ka Mariang ha kini ki sngi ha ka leng ki jaka ka jala ke Director ke State Disaster Management Authority ke kong mat siudor war kalau ong bakini ki baklat bat ki bamensau ki dei na ke eryong ke jing sha pom perthat ke jing sha ra bat ki wei.
Data actually from 1st to 28th of June, and we do give updates of the cumulative reports on disasters and damage. This information morning and evening, twice a day from the State Disaster Management Authority. As of today, then as of from 1st to 28th of June, we have 199 villages affected, 13,682 population affected. We still have 2 missing persons which are yet to be found, injured 7, and number of animal deaths 27. Number of houses damaged, fully 138, partially 182, severely 22, under assessment 31, total of 373. Number of infrastructure damage 30. Now this is as per the FIR that are received from the districts. We will also obviously be receiving much more detailed reports from the districts in the days to come. So this is the latest report as of now. 2 people from Maudon village and Mokhan village had expired due to thunderstrike. One Skylight Donbon and Walambok Rapsang. And we've seen that not only this, even cattle also have been struck by lightning.
So the
For thunderstrike it's 2 life lost, and for cattle I think I just mentioned to you as well. We've been trying to find a way of putting this as part of the early warning system. Honorable Minister has also mentioned that in the review meeting held with Honorable Chief Minister, we will be taking up NISAC and other agencies to find a way of finding an early warning system even for thunder and lightning.